Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders.
Whoa! That was a gigantic truck! You're right, D.BO. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. D.BO? Whoa, D.BO! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. D.BO the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crash! Crash!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.BO. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So, Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Crash!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan! And, oh boy, we're almost tipping over!
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which are special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow! This is awesome! Woo! How can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed.
Whoa! Yeah! Whee!
I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, D.BO. Bye, Megan. It was so cool to ride with you.
Bye, Blippi! Keep on crushing.